Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all will be good and happy. This video is going to be very important for you, so I would suggest you all to see till the end, because at the end I will let you know that how to access the free practice test and also 365 questions PDF on different hazard perception, insight and knowledge questions which usually come on the theory exam. And these are prepared from multiple paid practice apps, but it will be free for you. So let's start from number 3 type of signboards, which are road closed warnings. So road closed warnings are represented by circular signs which are red in its circumference. So this signboard means that this road is closed in both directions, the direction from which you are entering as well as from the other side of the road. From both ends, that road is closed. So then comes this signboard with white horizontal line. This means that this road is closed from the side you are entering. So you cannot enter from the side where that signboard is placed. But that road is closed from this end only, not from the other side for all the drivers. So this is important. So it means that pedestrians can go from that side. If you are a driver, who is a driver? The vehicles, the person who is driving the vehicle, the person who is riding on the car, the person who is riding on the motorcycle, moped or bicycle, and persons which are in charge of animals or livestock. If you are riding on the horse, even then you are a driver. And if you have a rope of any animal by which the animal is tied into your hands, you are also a driver. So these signs are pertaining to the drivers. If you see these signs with such kind of arrows, white arrows and with blue background like this means this is a one-way road. So on these signboard, you must not expect any drivers coming from the opposite side. If you're turning right and you see this signboard, it means there must not be any driver coming from the opposite side, because this is a one-way road. And if you see this signboard and it is obvious from this signboard that this is a two-way road, you may expect the drivers from coming from the opposite side as well as the direction in which you are going. This is a two-way road. This signboard is a warning sign, the road closure sign. Like this is a picture of the car, and car is composed of 4 tires. So this means that this road is closed for the vehicles which have more than 2 tires. So all the vehicles which have 3 tires, 4 tires or more than 4 tires, that road is closed for them. Now see, these 3 signboards are all the road closure signboards, and the pictures are representing for which vehicles these roads are closed. Like this is the picture of the lorry or the vehicle that contains goods. So this is road is closed for those. This road is for closed for buses. And if you see these two pictures inside that signboard, it means that the road is closed for vehicles, lorries, or the vehicles containing goods, and also the buses. And if you see this signboard, this is the tractor. This signboard is tractor, moped, and bicycle. And this signboard is for the trailer. So it means this road is closed for the trailers, and definitely the trailer would be tied with some car. So if you are entering this road with the trailer, you are not allowed to enter. And if you see this signboard, it means that signboard is for tractors, mopeds and bicyclists. So if you are a bicyclist or you are riding a moped or you are on a tractor, you all cannot enter this road. So one important thing, agricultural vehicle cannot travel on the road more than 25 km per hour. Mopeds also cannot. Their speed limit is 25 km per hour, and the cycles also have the speed limit 25 kilometers per hour. So all the vehicles which cannot move more than 25 kilometers per hour, that signboard is for them. Those vehicles cannot enter that road. And if you see this signboard with tractor only, it means this applies for tractors only. Only the tractors cannot enter that road. And if you see this signboard, this is a signboard with motorcycle. So motorcyclists are not allowed to enter that road. This signboard prohibits motorcyclists as well as cars. So it means all the motorized vehicles are not allowed to enter that road. This is moped. So this road is closed for mopeds. So no access to these vehicles. And if we see these signboards like cycle, so it means if you are riding a cycle, you cannot enter. If you are riding a moped or cycle, you both cannot enter the road which have this signboard. And if you see this signboard, you cannot enter that road even if you are a pedestrian. No access. These signboards are very important. If you see arrow signs on both ends, it means that represents the length of the road, length of the vehicle, and if the vehicle is more than 10 meters in length, that is not allowed to enter that particular road with this signboard. And if you see this signboard with 2.3 meter and with these arrow signs, it means if your vehicle in width is more than 2.3 meter, that is not allowed to enter that particular road. And if you see that these arrow signs above and below, it represents the height of the vehicle. If your vehicle is more than 3.1 meter in height, that is also not allowed to enter that particular road. And this is showing the axle, and this downward pointing arrow is representing that if the axle load of the vehicle is 4.8 tons or more than that, that vehicle is not allowed to enter. This applies for axle load. If the axle load is 4.8 ton, not includes the vehicle load, the weight of the vehicle itself. And if that sign is there with 5.4 ton, it means it includes the vehicle weight itself, also the axle load. If in total the load of the vehicle is 5.4 ton, that vehicle is not allowed to enter that particular road. And if you see this signboard with this axle and this box which is red inside, it means that is the signboard for the vehicles which contain hazardous material in them. So if that kind of vehicle you are driving, you are not allowed to enter that particular road. Now comes very important information which I told you before, that if you want to download the documents which you want to read and which can be very much helpful for you to understand the practical driving theory exams, then go to these links which I have given in the subscription. And the most important link is this one, because this contains 365 questions related to hazard perception conditions, knowledge and insight, which are the questions that comes in the theory exam. And these questions are very important, and I have taken these questions from multiple paid theory examination apps. So I have prepared that material which is free of cost for you. So now next thing, how can you download that? Once you will click on these links, this window will pop up, and here from get your link you can download the document. And if that link is not activated, it means you have not subscribed my channel yet. So from this clicking on this tab, you will go to my channel page, and on my channel page, after you subscribe my channel, this link will get activated. And after this link is activated, you can click it and download these important documents which are free for you. So If you feel that my videos are informative for you and this video was good and increasing your knowledge about Dutch traffic rules and regulations, so like my video. And if you want to see more videos on my channel, subscribe my channel. And if you think that you should be notified whenever I upload my new videos, then press the bell icon. And moreover, on the left, if you click the left link, you can see my first video on Dutch driving rules and regulations. And if you want to take the test about practical driving, then click on this link on the right side and you will get my video on practical examinations. So until the next videos, goodbye, bye bye.